So sinubukan namin itong Mugwok, the viral restaurant in Seoul, South Korea. And here's everything that you need to know. This is located near Gyeongbokgung Palace and they are known for their authentic North Korean style samgyetang. They follow a strict schedule. Pakita ko na lang sa screen and pause to read na lang. I had no idea na ganun pala schedule nila. So nung pumunta kami, it was during their break time kaya di kami nakapasok. Bumalik kami ng alas 5 for their reopening at 5:30 PM and may pila na. Good thing may listahan naman and we were fifth in line and after a while dumami na yung tao so be sure to come early. Anyway, at exactly 5:30 PM ay pinapasok na kami and of course we ordered the viral North Korean style samgyetang. Honestly, isa lang talaga dapat orderin namin kasi it's kinda expensive and malaki naman yung serving. Kaso nakaabang talaga si ate kaya ayun na pressure at napa-order tuloy kami ng dalawa. And ang bilis ng serving nila, like after 3 minutes lang nandyan na yung food. So you get this huge shredded boiled chicken, rice, very thick ginseng soup, and may sides pang kasama.
And then garlic, go and put inside here.
So ayun, we mix in the ginger and garlic sa soup and it was rich and flavorful. I know the chicken looks bland but it's actually well seasoned. You can also make your own sauce pero di masarap yung pagkakagawa ko but that's okay kasi masarap na yung food as is. Honestly, the flavors are very different from what I'm used to but in a really good way kasi ang sarap talaga. Buti na lang I ordered my own. This is definitely a must try when you're in Seoul. After namin kumain, we saw na mahaba pa rin ang pila sa labas kaya dapat pumunta talaga kayo ng maaga. Worth it naman ito pilahan and sulit for the price. Like and save this video if gusto nyo rin to matry. Yun lang. Okay, thanks, bye!